today's lesson, it's dressings for salads. So what is dressing? So dressings is a seasoned liquid or semi-seasoned liquid added into salad body just to increase or enhance flavor. So dressings has to be harmonized by salad ingredients. Of course, when you are preparing dressings, you have to know which dressings goes with which salads. So now we are going to see 4 types of dressings using the variable of condiments we have and the raw material we have. Right now, I'm just going to start with the dressing called vinaigrette dressing. So before I start demonstrating vinaigrette dressing, I just want you to take note of everything. So please take note in every step for this preparation. Thank you. So for vinaigrette dressing, here I have chopped parsley, so I also have chopped onion, then I have white vinegar and olive oil, combined together, then add salt and white pepper. Then mix it well until it gets olive oil and vinegar until it's combined. So check for the seasoning. Wow, it's well seasoned. My vinaigrette dressing are ready. So then I'm going to make a dressing called tartar sauce or tartar dressing. So tartar sauce, it's a dressing from mayonnaise sauce. So we have our mayonnaise here. Then add chopped onion. You add chopped parsley. Then you add chopped capers. Capers is this ingredient. And also you add brunoise of gherkins. Here is gherkins as well. The last one, you add brunoise of boiled egg white. Then you just combine together. Then add salt and white pepper. My dressing is done. This is tartar sauce. another dressing we are going to prepare. It's called Italian dressing. So Italian dressing, we are going to use balsamic vinegar. We are going to use sugar. If you want, we can use the honey, or you use the icing sugar. So we are going to use olive oil, and of course white pepper and the salt, and we are also going to use mustard. So you just put mustard inside the bowl, sugar, balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. Then mix it well until balsamic vinegar and the olive oil mix together. And just add a little of white pepper and a little of salt. Just check. Wow, very nice. So I love Italian dressing. So it's the taste. It's sweet and sour. So it goes well with any fresh salad. So our Italian dressing are ready. Now the next step, it's a cocktail dressing. So we are going to prepare cocktail sauce, known as dressing for salad. So our cocktail ingredients are here. We have tomato ketchup, we have mayonnaise, we have Scotch whiskey, and we have orange juice, and of course salt and white pepper. So now I'm going to mix ketchup together with the mayonnaise. Then I add Scotch whiskey inside and orange juice. It's amazing flavor. Huh? Some more salt and white pepper. Super. So now my cocktail sauce are ready. You see, it's pink. It's pink. It has a flavor for the orange flavor, flavor for the whiskey, and so on. So since you are ready with the salad dressing, now we can dress our salad. See, like this, or maybe you dress with the, see, like this, or you dress it with the tartar sauce. You can dress it with the cocktail sauce. Okay, so we are done with the recipe for dressing, and we have see how we can dress our salad. I thank you for watching this session. See you next time for the compound salad.